Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who it's from. Well, we have cross stitch. Surprise! I know. Not too much. Alright, so we have two cross stitch kits. And this comes from FGOBY. Hang on just a second. There'll be a moment. Sorry, I had to get my page. I'm so organized today. What can I say? All right. So, well, it seems to be the month of buying things twice. Yeah. So guess what I got from them? Yeah. I will put a picture here. All right. Yeah. As you can see, I got the 18 count I worked on yesterday from DP Clubs. It's the same kit, and it's a 40 by 62 18 count with 40 colors. And I'm not going to open this up. I've already reviewed this one time. And it does come with all the excess, colors and everything that goes with it. It's a very nice kit. I'm enjoying, working on it, but I will put that with the others that I'll have for a drawing here, probably, between this month and next. Let's take a look at the other one that I got. Can't believe I ordered it as well. Twice. This one I've never seen before, so you're in luck. Yay! Oh my goodness. Okay, this one comes with a toolkit. It has 4 needles, thimble, poof ball, and a needle threader, and it is the Oxen again. But this is a beautiful dragon on all these colors. Kind of reminds me of like Thailand, or I think that's where they have the colorful dragons like this. But yeah, it's very pretty, and it's a 50 by 50, and it's 191 by 191. Has a nice paper pattern, and it has 38 colors. Oh, there's a lot of that background in there. So we have no 310. We have evidently 939 for the background, and maybe 823 because it has that too. And no 3871. I just liked all the other colors, all the neon colors. Paper pattern will match the canvas. So for symbol on that. Just beautiful. And it's on one of those big pieces, so it does have instructions of how to start and how to finish. So that's good. Let's take a look at all those beautiful colors. I can see they're beautiful already. Let's get this out of here. I love the extra bag. Okay, we got 4 hanks of thread. I don't think they're all the same. Let's see, there's 939. This one is 939. Sometimes I can't tell the difference between 939 and 823. 939. So the whole background is 939. All that dark color. So you got 4 times 4 is 160 strands of 939. Yay! But then you have all these beautiful, bright, vivid, gorgeous gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh, yeah. So, you got some blue and some dark teal. Isn't that pretty? Ugh, gorgeous. But these are just stupendous. Look at them. They're just so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Greens and pinks and fuchsia and blues and more green and teal and turquoise and oranges and bright yellows and bright green or dark purple. I don't think that's $5.50 though. Heck, I could be wrong. Let me see. We'll see. Hang on. Everybody's attached. Of course. Oh, there it is. Yes, there is $5.50 purple. It's number 10. So, number 10. So, there's your $5.50 purple. Just beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And there's lots of them. So, very beautiful. And it'll probably be confettied. So, yeah, let me just put all that right up there. Let's take a look at the canvas. Very well printed. It is an 11 count. Has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Let's open it up. Oh, yeah. But that background's going to be a hot mess. I don't know which is worse. But, yeah, this dragon is... It's got its moments, but it does have confetti, you know, in the details, shall we say. And up in his horns, or whatever those are, spikes, I don't know. Yeah, very beautiful. But very well printed. Let me just see if I can close this up. So I can bring it up close so you can see how well printed they are. It is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed key, and the stitching does not go into the numbers, so that's very good. Very, very nice. And it is squared, so 50 by 50. So, see what we got. Drooling stuff today. So, oh, will you stop? 50 going that way. We don't need you. And 50 going this way. Actual picture size is 44.5 this way, which is 17.5 by 17.25. Let me make sure I did that right. Yeah, it's 17.5, so it's a little bit longer than it is wide. So 17.25 or 44 centimeters that way. But very nicely printed. I do like this. Yeah, I just loved all the colors, so I can hardly wait to start working with them. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, I'll try next month not to order the same thing, you know, 2-3 times. Yeah. We had a bad February where the mail wasn't coming at all, and then there was March where we were going to get it, but we, you know, it took forever. Yeah, so then I thought they weren't coming, so I just ordered things again. Yeah. What can I say? I'm so sorry. Now, FGOBY has free shipping on orders over $39. If they have any specials like buy 4, get 1 free, or buy 8, get 2 free, or anything like that, because right now they're having the Easter specials, I will put that in the description box below. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for both. They also have embroidery, regular embroidery, and beaded embroidery. Now that's usually just the little keychain type things. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And let's see. They do have, they're the ones that has the special section where when it drops down it says novice, and then at the end it says, oh, what is it? Grand Master or something like that. So you can go into beginners to get beginner kits, or you can go to Grand Master and get the huge kits, you know, and things that are in more detail, like, you know, the Joy Sunday with 10,000 back stitches in it, you know, if you so desire. So they do have a lot to choose from. Thank you, FGOBY, for sending me these beautiful kits, even if I did order the other one again. What can I say? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.